how to do that. I know StangMode is excited about getting the car back boosted, and we will be unboxing the kit here in just a second.
As we get into Where's Mamba, the Mamba giveaway or the cash ends Cyber Monday. And you know I was going to leave you without boost. So yes, we're going to show you where Mamba's been hiding, what's been going on behind the scenes. And so check it out on 3supply.com, link in the description, or StangMode.com. Both work. And check out the giveaway for Mamba or 40K and Cyber Monday. And huge announcements are coming up. So much going on. I've been working on behind the scenes. But I'm back to making content. Had a lot of meetings, had stuff going on, but we're sharing back with you. So now let's check in and show you the new boost from Mamba. Let's go.
Hello everyone, my name is Ken. I own HPR in Henderson, Tennessee, and as you see behind us, we have the black Mamba at our shop. We will be installing a ESS G3R kit onto the car. And one of you could win this car. I'm sure StangMode has told you already how to do that. I know StangMode is excited about getting the car back boosted, and we will be unboxing the kit here in just a second. StangMode asked me to just kind of short introduction, a little bit about myself. I was a Ford technician for 12 years, senior master certified, and I've always had my hands into performance. I had a YouTube channel that formerly was known as SPEED ADDICT 731, now is HPR. But I built all of my S550s, and everyone kept asking me to open up a shop. They wanted to bring their cars to me. And so we actually did that. We opened up a shop in June of 2021, and it has taken off, guys. This makes our 20th state that we've had cars from, and we actually have the 21st state booked from Connecticut. But we've had cars from New York to Florida to New Mexico to Texas, and we are blown away with how the business has grown. And we're currently looking to either expand this shop or get into a bigger shop. That's enough about me. We will be installing the G3R kit onto the car as soon as we get some fuel components from Lethal Performance to finish everything up that he already has in the car. So he's ready to go with fueling, but let's get to unboxing the kit. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox this, show you what's inside the box. It's all nice and good. Really simple kit, guys. Not a whole tremendous a lot to it. Let me put that right there for right now. Pull this out. A lot of packing material. All right, guys, we have, this is the pipe that goes to the supercharger. From the filter to the supercharger. Here is the mass airflow tube. You've got the air filter, of course. Can in. And we've got one of the intercooler charge pipes. And one good thing to do, guys, if you're installing this yourself, is to just run some water through this, blow it out, clean up the pipes. I do that with any kit that I install. So, with all of the pipes. And then we have the bracketry, which we will open up real quick. Everything is packed very, very nice in this kit, guys. As you will see. This is the hardware and the bracket for the supercharger. So that's out. The ESS logo on it. Now all this is set up for a 10 rev. If you want to go 10 rev down the road, it's already, all this right there here is already set up, but the kit runs off a 6 rev. But you can upgrade down the road to a 10 rev. These are all the standoffs that go on. When we do the installation, I'll talk more in depth about this stuff for you guys. And then of course you got the hardware. Everything is neatly laid out. And you have this right here. If you get this, install it yourself, this right here has got a video and PDF on to how to install the kit. So very, very informative. So that's pretty much everything in this box. Of course, you got the supercharger pulley bolt. We'll pull this out right here. Alright guys, so this is the G4 intercooler that comes standard with the G3R kit, the same that I have in my car. Alright, so what we have here is just rest of hoses. The new hose that goes to the degas bottle, radiator degas bottle. Then you have the blow-off valve. And of course the supercharger belt. The brackets that go to the intercooler. Like I said, when I install this, I'll unwrap all this stuff when I install it. And then of course the supercharger pulley, which we might change on this depending. This is a G3R, so StangMode has a horsepower he wants to be at, so we might have to pulley him up. So we got the 105. Yeah, we might have to pulley him up, but we'll see. We'll let StangMode make that decision. All right, so what we're going to do now, guys, is I'm going to open up the supercharger. This is a G3R, but also what we have here, just to show you comparison, we have a G3 that we can put it next to a G3R and show you guys the difference. We're going to get the G3R opened up first. This is the G3 over here. It's another customer's kit that we have. We're going to be installing. He's actually coming down from Connecticut. All right. Open up. So this is the G3R. Of course, this has the billet wheel. So the G3X that I have on my car also has a billet wheel. Now this supercharger over here is a G3, but it has a cast wheel. So we're gonna put this beside the standard G3. Just to kind of compare the two for you guys. Now this supercharger right here is 1600 CFM. The G3R is 1900 CFM. We'll go into more details as we start installing stuff and things like that, but I just kind of want to show you guys the difference.
All right, guys, let's go. This week we'll be calling the winners of the classic Mustangs of the cash. So area code 856 will be calling. Hopefully you see this in time. Keep your phones on, keep your phones ready for the silver 66 Mustang or a Mach 1 or cash. Remember, we're doing a huge Christmas celebration party at Gateway Classic Cars. Would love to have former winners come out December 2nd, West Deptford, New Jersey. Link in the description for information. Toys for Tots. It'll be all going down. I'm so excited. So we'll be calling the winners this week, and we'll be giving deliveries of the classic cars at Gateway December 2nd. Big show. Big shout out to Gateway. Can't wait to see you guys. Hopefully come out, and if you can make it, we'll have the whole StangMode team will be there. I'll be there. The 24 Mustangs will be there. Big party time. And guys, as we get into Where's Mamba, the Mamba giveaway or the cash ends Cyber Monday, and you know I was going to leave you without boost. Check it out on 3supply.com, link in the description, or StangMode.com, both work. And check out the giveaway for Mamba or 40K and Cyber Monday. And huge announcements are coming up. So much going on. I'm working on behind the scenes, but I'm back to making content. Had a lot of meetings, had stuff going on, but we're sharing back with you. So now let's check in and show you the new boost for Mamba. Let's go.
Hey guys, 2023 is coming to an end. It doesn't have you down like it has me down. I'm still fat, I'm still broke, but let's end it on a high note. With 40,000 in cold hard cash or a 1,000 horsepower Mustang can be yours, you go to on3supply.com, grab some merch. This all can be you. Good luck.